you did over 100K in like 3 days. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And how much profit did you make on that?
I'm literally getting like 50% of it. So 50K. I just changed my life in like 3 days.
You did it all purely with AI. You didn't film a single video, right?
No. I had a call with Pepe and he literally told me the third video went to like 5 million views. In my opinion, it's way easier than organic.
Bro, you actually crushed it. Let's go through like your whole journey, and especially over the last month, you have to tell us what happened.
Basically, the journey started like last summer. I was working a normal job because I wanted to save some money to join a mentorship program. And on the site, I was doing like Facebook ads, but I just tested like 3 products and my Facebook get banned and I didn't know what to do. So I just like quit that and decided that I'm just gonna stack the money. And in the winter, I'm just gonna get in some program and start working with mentors and stuff like that, because I was not knowing a lot of stuff. And you know, especially in YouTube, there's a shit ton of info, but there's like way too much info sometimes, and it's like tack, and I'm not sure which is right and which is wrong. Mm-hmm. So I just decided to work, and I made like for the whole summer, I think I didn't spend like a lot. And I think I made like 4 or 5K and I saved all of them. And then the winter came and I was thinking in which mentorship I want to join. And then I figured out that I cannot do Facebook ads because I will not have like enough budget. I knew your program from Blaži. For anyone that doesn't know Blaži, he's like hyper big guy here in Bulgaria, also in your program. And he talked about your program in some podcast and I know the program from there. So I just saw that you have this thing, organic dropshipping, and I knew it before that. So I said, okay, that's right. I joined the program and bro, I immediately hated that thing. Like organic, I didn't like that thing. Also, I was not working hard enough because I was not liking the business model. Yeah. So I was just like ordering these products. They were coming for like, I was waiting for like 2-3 weeks for every product. And by the time they come to here, because I live in a small country, Bulgaria, and by the time they come here, like mentors always were saying to me, like, this product is not good enough. It was just this thing with the delays and the stuff was just arriving way too late. When I started filming, like I didn't enjoy that, not at all. And I was ordering like 3-4 products and I was working like 2-3 days, like really good. I was making maybe like 9 videos per product for all the products. But after that, like for the 2-3 next days, I was just like disappearing, not doing anything. And this is like the cycle I was doing that like every time for maybe like 6 months, just before TikTok Shop actually came to the program. So when TikTok Shop came in the program, I was literally running out of money. I didn't have any savings or stuff like that. So I got a job. I was working in the marketing agency of one of my friends. I was helping him with like basic stuff, setting up ads and stuff like that, because I had some experience with Facebook ads. And I was doing that for like 3 months and I just like quit it like 2 weeks ago. He actually just released me because I made like too much money and he told me, bro, just go do your thing. I was not earning enough money from him, from working for him only. There was 1 month, I think it was like not previous one, but previous month that Sean literally let me in the program and we talked that I can pay at the end of the month. But at the end of the month, I didn't have the money to pay. So this is when Pepe showed up and Pepe literally saved my ass. Pepe offered me a job and I just accepted because I didn't have other choice. And I also like really liked Pepe when I was doing house organic. So I say, bro, that's like perfect job for me. I accepted and I started working with Pepe like close. Yeah, I was pushing like that for maybe a month. I tested like on 2 different accounts, but I made like 3-4 sales, I think, and the accounts get like instantly banned after that. And I was a little bit discouraged, and then I just doubled down on paperwork. And I think it was like maybe like 3rd or 4th paycheck from Pepe, I just bought 1 account. And I started working on the site on this account. It's like I'm literally paying for the program, but I was not working hard enough on my stuff. I was just like giving all my attention to Pepe because, I was like really grateful for the job because he literally saved me. So I wanted to just like give 120% everything for me just for him. I started this account on the site and I was posting like 2 videos a day. It literally first 3 days, it was like nothing special. On the 4th day, I literally got like a video with 14K. And I remember I jumped on call with Max, and Max literally told me two things. Okay, so shift the script a little bit in the beginning and also add pre-hook. And I literally did that, and this video went to like 3 million views just because of Max. I just like listened to him, he told me something, I did it, and it went viral. After that, after this video, everything started to get like diabolic. And like in the next day, I had a call with Pepe. And I asked him, Pepe, what should I do? I have like a viral video, stuff like that, la 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 la. And he literally told me, okay, we're going to split test this. And he told me like 3 different tests, I would say, that's like 3 different split tests that I need to do. And I literally did that 3 video. And the 3rd video went to like 5 million views, which is insane. And I started printing as crazy. I had like...
Tell me like about what these millions of views actually resulted in terms of dollars.
At the beginning, it was like 3K per 100K views. But after like 2nd to 3rd million, it went a little bit down, maybe around like 2K per 100K views. And right now, account is banned. So I'm getting like just the last week, I'm getting like 1K without doing anything on this account, just coming to my bank account.
It's funny that you even speak in this way, like where you say basically $2,000 per 100,000 views.
Yeah,
this is a different thing. Like per 100,000, you can literally 10x it to make it per million. I mean, in organic, we only talk about per million. Nobody talks about per 100,000. So what you're basically saying is it's $20,000 per million views, $30,000. Yeah, super high. Now, you did like over 100K in like 3 days. Is that correct?
Yep.
And how much profit did you make on that?
So on the 100K, because the brand deals your brand offers, I'm literally getting like 50% of it. So 50K.
Let this sink in. Like for everybody watching this right now, this is the summary of what happened. You do organic, you switch to Shop. And in Shop, we connect you with a brand, which give you really good payouts if you make them money. We tell you exactly which videos to do. You go on a call with Max. He tells you, do this specific video, change this. It blows up. It gets 3 million views. You do the next call with Pepe. He tells you something. It gets 5 million views. And you make $100,000 with 50% profit in 3 days. It's insane. Like actually insane. And this is something which is crazy because you did it all purely with AI. Like you didn't film a single video, right?
No.
Nothing was filmed. It's all AI. How do you feel, bro? You made like life-changing money in a week.
Yeah, I did. Actually, I think I just like changed my trajectory of the whole life for like in 3 days, which is crazy. And at the beginning, I was feeling happy, but I was feeling more weird. I was literally having like $200 or $300 in my bank account, and then bam, to 50K profit, which is like insane. So my mind, it was just strange. My mind didn't want to accept it because it's just so strange, I was not making money, and then boom, in 3 days I'm like making like 50K profit. I think like these 3 days I was not sleeping at all, bro. I was just like going in my neighborhood in like 2-3 a.m. in the evening, just like going for a walk because I cannot like think properly,
I feel you. I remember the first time I started hitting like crazy numbers, and my first good month was not even close to your first good month. I didn't understand what's going on. Like hitting just 1K day with like $300 profit. I remember hitting that for like a week. For me, that was life changing. I couldn't believe what's going on. That was so much money. Your numbers are way crazier. Now, walk me through how you feel about AI. What do you think in general about like these AI videos, and like what's your perspective on that?
I'm actually really concerned like what is going to happen in the future because they look really realistic. It's crazier that people actually like see it and believe they're real. I actually, when I watch videos like that, I just know that they're like AI because I do that. For example, I'll show one video to my mom and she was like, "This is real? What do you mean? This is real?" And which is the craziest part, like we can just like promote everything with AI. And the business model is like so much suitable, for example, for me, because I don't have to like move around the house, like change location to film different stuff like that. I can just like sit on my computer, work for like 4 or 5 hours straight, like really focus work. And I can do like a bunch of videos and ads in this period of time, which is insane. And everything from my computer, like I don't have to move at all.
What this basically means is that there's 2 massive upsides about Shop. Number 1 is the conversions per million views are significantly better. And number 2 is AI content performs better on Shop. Now, there's people doing great organic content with this as well, but in general, we've seen this specific style just work so much better with Shop, especially with these types of product. Now, we connected you with a brand where we already know, okay, that's a good product that already converts. And it's also a crazy concept to just give you guys product. Like, I felt weird in the beginning just giving student here, sell this. This was not a concept for organic. Like, there was no way I was giving out any product, because there was like, okay, you need to put in the work by doing all the product research and all of that. Here, the factor of competition is very different. Like, I think people need to understand that 10 or 50 people at the same time can go viral for the same exact product with the same exact content style, and it works. There's the saturation factor. It's very, very different, because you can have so many different twists and so many different angles and so many different like pocket audiences, etc. You obviously did it all in a very fast time period. Now, what's the plan going forward?
Actually, I'm right now, you know it, but I joined the advanced program. So right now I'm just like scaling to the moon. That's everything. I'm already working on hiring two VAs, and also I'm starting work with one of my close friends, and with him, I'm just gonna like teach him for free, and we're just gonna split everything 50-50. And also, like, I have a lot more of time right now. When I made this money, I was literally running 1 or 2 accounts. And right now I'm also like just getting more in the game, so I can just like spam for myself like 6 or 8 videos per day. And my plan in the next 2 or 3 months is to go to like with the VAs and everything like that. When the team is ready, my plan is to go like to 40-50 videos per day.
Yeah, exactly. And I think this is the easiest way to scale all of this, is just by doing volume. And you'd be surprised on like the moment when there's like 4 or 5 people posting for you, how easy everything starts feeling, because sales just come in compounded. Like, maybe this guy doesn't go viral, but this one or this one. It's just like, if it's so many people, it's so much easier to consistently make money. And also then it doesn't matter if you like are productive in one day or not. We can't reveal the product and we can't reveal the brand, but I want you to maybe share the dashboard or show on your phone, so people actually know the whole thing is real.
Let me find it. I'm going to show my main account. On 9th of August, I made like my first money, which was like around $200 a day.
The coolest thing about your whole thing is that because we pre-negotiated the whole deal for you, you have 50% of the profit, which is crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy. I was actually a little bit greedy because, I hit like 100K in like 3-4 days. And after 100K, we just don't have bonuses. And I remember I just like jumped on the call with you and I just started asking for like to negotiate something after 100K, because I expected that probably no one expected someone to make like 100K for the first month.
Yeah, it was especially the new product, new brand we brought into the program, and it instantly just blew it up. So yeah, no, it's crazy. It's crazy. To summarize your experience in general with the program and also with affiliate in general, what would you say? Like, how would you describe it to somebody who's not doing it?
This is probably like the most good business model right now. And I think more people should go in it, because it's, in my opinion, it's way easier than organic. It's more enjoyable than organic. And for the program itself, I think the results talk for themselves. Like, I just changed my life in like 3 days. So for the program, everything was perfect. I cannot say one bad thing. Everyone was jumping with calls with me, even if I had an emergency or something. If I need to know like something really fast, my 2 main coaches in the normal program, like Pepe and Max, they're answering like really quickly. And bro, it's just like perfect. So Pepe and Max, they're literally like answering like 30 minutes, like 1 hour. It's really quick. And even if I have a questions that I need to be like answer fast, they just do it. So I can like continue working. You heard my story. Like, I literally made this money just because of both of them. They literally made me this money. I was just like some robot. I just like executed everything. I didn't do shit. I just did what they told me.
Literally all what it's about. Like here with, especially with affiliate, there's a very, very clear formula to making money. It's a very specific thing. And the difference between organic and shop is that with AI, there's way less room to fuck things up. If we do something, it's not that easy to go out there and film and then edit and do all of that. There's a lot of room for error. With AI, if we just tell you the exact prompt, literally give you the exact prompt, tell this to this AI tool, and then do the editing, there's way less room to fuck things up. There's way more responsibility on our side now because we pick the products for you, we negotiate the brand deals for you, and then we tell you the exact prompts, the exact video styles, the exact everything for the whole thing. It's almost like a done for you service. We just give you the whole thing. The craziest thing about the entire program is the responsibilities on our side. And this means that if you put in the work, you will instantly make money. Like there's significantly less room to fuck things up. We pick the product for you. We connect you with the brand. We negotiate with you for the brand. You have the best deals ever with us. On top of that, we give you video concepts that actually convert. We show you exactly how to prompt the videos, on which AI tool and all of that. So it's literally us telling you click by click, step by step, exactly what to do. And there's almost no room for error, except you don't put in the work, as in you don't actually film or edit and post the videos every single day. If you don't upload every single day and actually try to get feedback from us, it's not going to work. If you actually do that, it will work. This is the only connector between those two. So if you're interested in joining, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and we're going to figure out if it's a good fit. Now, I'm looking forward to you hitting seven figures, and then we can do an easy second case study.